Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be adding a CSS to our page, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. This style kind of tells it all. It's going to change the way our page looks. So let's hop right into it. First we're going to click the plus, and then we're going to say save as styles.css. Now this is where we're going to do our CSS code, but there will be one thing we need to do in here. We need to make sure these two are in the same folder. And then we're going to say blank realm is style sheet blank type equals text slash CSS href is equal to the name of our CSS file, which is styles.css. Now we're going to close this. Now this code isn't going to do anything because we don't have anything in here. So we're going to fix that. I'm going to say body, and then on the inside of the body we're going to say background color red. Now the body means like the whole page itself, so the browser. And then, no, not the browser, but the web page, not like the information, just how it looks. So I'm going to save, and then we're going to see what happens. Ooh, so we have to go back to index. And then as you can see, our page is red. It's not that nice of a looking red, but we're not trying to do that right now. So next we can say H1, H2, H3, P. So this means we're selecting multiple things. So we can say all of these colors is equal to blue. So let's save and see what happens. Just gotta remember to switch back to the HTML. And as you can see, this is all blue. And remember our table from last time? It's not looking that much like a organized table. It's just looking kind of like text everywhere. So we're going to say table td th bracket, and then we're going to say border 1px solid black. Now we can see what it looks like now. And boom, now we have a nicer looking table. Now we don't have to worry about just colors, but I think that's all we're going to be doing in this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Consider leaving a like on the video, and maybe another time we'll go more in depth and with more the things you can add, like there's border color, background color. So yes, hope you enjoyed. Consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next video.